Ladies and gentlemen, the Colorado Avalanche are proud to welcome some very special guests to Pepsi Center tonight. These two men are joining us this evening to re-enlist and continue their military service to our great nation. Sergeant Kevin Fritzges was born and raised in Novi, Michigan, where he enlisted in the Army in February of 2011 and has served almost 7 years. He's currently stationed at Fort Carson and is assigned to the 89th Military Police Brigade. Sergeant Fritzges is re-enlisting for an additional 3 years. Specialist Thomas M. Mueller began his military career in February of 2013 at Fort Jackson, South Carolina. After graduating, he did advanced training in Virginia and Hawaii and is currently stationed at Fort Carson, where he is the crew chief for B Company 3rd Assault Helicopter Battalion. Specialist Mueller is re-enlisting for an additional 5 years. Now, please direct your attention to center ice, where Captain Wes Monaco will perform the re-enlistment ceremony.
Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your full name.
I, Thomas Mueller,
Do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will support and defend
that I will support and defend
the Constitution of the United States
the Constitution of the United States
against all enemies,
foreign and domestic,
that I will bear true faith
and I will bear true faith
and allegiance to the same, that I will obey the orders
that I will obey the orders
of the President of the United States,
of the President of the United States,
that I will obey the orders
and I will obey the orders
of the officers appointed over me
of the officers appointed over me
according to regulations,
according to regulations,
the Uniform Code of Military Justice.
the Uniform Code of Military Justice.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
Freedom don't come free. I'm an American.
Thank you, Sergeant Fritzges and Specialist Mueller, for your dedication, service, and sacrifice. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time for our brave soldiers tonight.
In jeopardy, I will always do what's right. I'm out here on the front lines. Sleep in peace tonight.